We're always looking for new methods to help you engage with your target audience. Given our current economic environment, it's incredibly important for your consumers to consistently interact with you. One of the easiest and most popular ways to initiate this interaction is simple: through video. Video is a very popular tool. In fact, over 1/3 of all online activity is spent watching videos. With consumers searching for units outside of typical business hours, you want to be sure you can deliver exactly what they're looking for when it's most convenient for them. Not only does video allow you to conveniently engage with consumers, but visuals increase memory retention by 42%. Your consumers are more likely to remember the unit if they watch a video of it. Therefore, they will keep you and your dealership top of mind in their hunt for their next purchase. Additionally, did you know that you can add a video as part of your marketplace listing on third-party sites? Whenever possible, leverage the use of video. They enhance the customer experience and drive conversion. Videos that show the full view of your unit from every angle, I'm talking 360 degrees, make the consumer feel like they're on your lot inspecting the units themselves. In times like these, it's imperative to give customers the ability to fully view and inspect a vehicle from the comfort and safety of their homes. Not only can you use video to showcase your units, but you can use video to cultivate relationships with your audience. Encourage video on demand with programs like Zoom or Google Hangouts to connect with potential buyers and create a face-to-face connection. Post video introductions of new team members or get-to-know-us videos of longtime employees on your social media pages. This will allow you to meet and build trust and rapport with your audience, and it humanizes your dealership. You can also use virtual meeting platforms to have virtual test drives. To help alleviate the need for the consumer to leave their house and drive the unit themselves, offer to perform the test drive yourself with a coworker videoing you. You can answer questions as you go, demonstrate functionality of certain features, and provide specific feedback to your buyer so they start to feel confident in the performance of the unit they're interested in. Remember, you don't have to be all business all the time. You can also do a behind-the-scenes video and show your service technicians and your office management staff at work or goofing around. It's important to remind your audience that we're all human, everyday people who work hard and like to have fun. Whether you're posting videos on your marketplace listings or social media pages, or you're using video to directly interact with potential buyers, the use of video to emphasize a shopping experience can't be overstated. We're here for you. We know this is a confusing and unnerving time, and we want to help support you and your business. If you have any questions or concerns about how to leverage video for your inventory or for cultivating relationships, or on how to optimize your online presence, please reach out to marketing@traderinteractive.com or call 800-684-6104 to contact our customer service team.